Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your account name on X. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, simply go ahead, access your X app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, you can see this kind of interface gonna pop up. First of all, go ahead, go with the continue, ask app not to track for now, and you can see this is how you can browse through the tweets. Now right over here, if you simply want to change your name, you have to tap on your profile on top left, and again tap on at this name of yours, and this is gonna open your profile. Now if you want to change your name, simply tap on this option of edit profile. Now right over here you can see your name on top. So now what you're gonna do, tap on it, simply change it accordingly. Once you're done, tap on save option on top, and saving. You can see now the name has changed, and it's simply asking for that authentication. Simply go ahead, tap on this authenticate, verify yourself, submit it, and now you're done. And now there you go, you can see our name has changed, and you can do that and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.